Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today I'm excited because we're going to be making something that's going to be a great side. It goes along with every barbecue that you've ever made. It cuts through all that heavy meat and it's a perfect side. It is watermelon cherry tomato feta salad. Stay with me, folks. I'm going to show you how to do it right. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. All right, this is it. Oh, smells so good. Pineapple, tomato, onion, all this wonderful goodness. Let's give it a try. So refreshing. You know, today's Memorial Day, and we're gonna be having hot dogs, and we're gonna have some meat. This is gonna go perfect with my grilling. Very good. Give it a try, folks. You're gonna love this one. Thanks for stopping by.
This video is dedicated to my old dog, Mango. Rest in peace, Mango. You've been one of the best friends I've ever had, and you are the best dog.
Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss episodes as they come out. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been sharing our episodes on your social media platforms. It's really been helping a lot and sending a lot of traffic our way, and I'm doing what it is that I want to do best, which is help people learn how to cook simple, easy, and delicious food. If you'd like to be a bigger part of Uncle Bill's Kitchen, consider becoming a Patreon member. It helps our channel out a lot, gives me funds so that I can buy better produce and give you better recipes on this channel. If that's too much, consider becoming a coffee member. Just buy me a little cup of coffee. Links in the description below.